Notice during COVID-19, di tayo makalabas, hindi makita ang mga friends and loved ones. We all stayed at home. What did we do? Anong binili natin sa Lazada at sa Shopee? What was the #1 appliance? Air fryer. Why? Wala tayong magawa. We had to create a new basket, a new hobby, a new preoccupation. Many people got plants. Naging plantito, plantita. Many people got pets. And by the way, as you may know by now, bago na ang mundo, plants are the new pets. Pets are the new kids. And this is an example of diversifying. If one basket gets destroyed, you have other baskets to lean onto. So when you tell me, John, wala na akong motivation, I will challenge you. Hindi ka nauubusan ng motivation. Isa lang kasi ang basket mo. You have to keep on pouring motivation on a lot of things.